Welcome to Incredible Machine. Today we will explore gigantic and dangerous chainsaw-cutting tree machines operating at peak efficiency. Witness the power and precision of these massive machines as they perform incredible tree-cutting tasks. Join us as we step into the world of the most powerful machines, where safety and top-notch engineering are essential. Buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey. Transform your land clearing experience with the powerful Dipperfox Stump Crusher 850 Pro. Designed for efficient stump removal, this high-powered machine features a robust crusher head and powerful hydraulics, pulverizing stumps quickly and effectively. The 850 Pro's durable construction and precise control systems ensure long-term performance and minimal maintenance. This stump crusher enhances land clearing operations, making stump removal faster and more efficient. Embrace the future of portable sawmilling with the Norwood Sawmills Frontier OS27. This sawmill offers unparalleled versatility and efficiency, allowing you to process large logs into valuable lumber on-site. With its robust frame and easy-to-use controls, the Frontier OS27 is perfect for small-scale sawmill operations and DIY enthusiasts. This portable sawmill combines portability with power, making lumber production accessible and efficient. Embark on a journey of unmatched forestry prowess with the Tigercat 860C. This robust, high-performance harvester is designed for the most demanding operations. With its powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system, it handles large trees with precision and speed. The 860C's ergonomic cabin ensures operator comfort and excellent visibility, enhancing productivity and safety. Its durable construction guarantees long-term performance in the toughest forest conditions, making it an invaluable asset for modern loggers. Step into the future with the 2023 Automated Turbo Sawmill. This state-of-the-art machine combines advanced automation with high-speed cutting technology, revolutionizing lumber production. With its robust construction and intelligent controls, the automated turbo sawmill processes large logs with precision and efficiency. This sawmill maximizes productivity while minimizing labor, making it an essential asset for modern sawmill operations. Unleash the power of precision with the Lumberjack 450. This versatile logging machine is designed for efficient wood processing, featuring advanced cutting technology and robust construction. Its powerful engine and precise controls ensure high productivity and reliability. The Lumberjack 450 maximizes efficiency in logging operations, making it a valuable asset for modern forestry. Revolutionize your logging operations with the GS44XL Grapple Saw. This powerful tool combines the capabilities of a grapple and a saw, allowing you to cut and handle large logs with ease. Its robust construction and advanced hydraulics ensure precise and efficient operations. The GS44XL enhances productivity and safety in logging, making it an essential addition to any forestry fleet. Experience the blend of power and precision with the Valmet 921. This harvester is engineered for high productivity and reliability in the toughest forestry conditions. With its powerful engine and advanced control systems, the Valmet 921 handles large trees with ease, ensuring efficient and accurate harvesting. Its durable construction and ergonomic design provide operator comfort and safety, making it a cornerstone in modern forestry operations. Transform your log processing with the Meor SLH 1200 debarker. This powerful machine efficiently removes bark from logs, preparing them for further processing. Its advanced design and robust construction ensure reliable performance and long-term durability. The SLH 1200 enhances productivity in sawmills and wood processing facilities, making log debarking faster and more efficient. Eliminate stubborn stumps with the Grunewald Strand Killer Stump Shear. This powerful tool is designed to shear through stumps with ease, leaving the ground clear for new planting. Its robust construction and advanced hydraulics ensure efficient and reliable stump removal. The Strand Killer enhances land clearing operations, making stump removal faster and more effective. Elevate your lumber production with the K&B Lumber 6 Double Cut Head Rig. This advanced sawmill machine features a double cut head rig, allowing for precise and efficient cutting of large logs. Its robust construction and intelligent controls ensure reliable performance and high productivity. The double cut head rig transforms sawmill operations, delivering superior quality lumber with maximum efficiency. Experience the ultimate in timber transport with the TigerCat 1075C Forwarder. This powerful machine is designed for efficient log forwarding, equipped with a robust engine and advanced hydraulics. The 1075C's durable construction and ergonomic design ensure long-term performance and operator comfort. This forwarder enhances productivity in logging operations, making timber transport faster and more efficient.